Welcome back. Breakfast was good at Sky Manor. How was breakfast?
Breakfast was delicious. I wish Arizona.
Thank you, Mike, for buying.
Yes, sir.
I wish Arizona had breakfast like this. Okay, let's go. Want to close the door?
Yep. You have 19 miles to the Bravo.
Okay.
Doors closed and confirmed locked.
Block on the traffic and
Nope.
win the pattern.
Oh, wow.
You always do that shit.
Sky Manor traffic and win the pattern.
Dude, I was thinking of Block Island. Shit. Wow.
Unfortunately, he's a
Sky Manor
POH.
traffic, Mooney, November 693, Mike, departing on runway 25. Depart straight out, Sky Manor.
Doors closed.
North Town traffic, sure.
Lane light on. Strobe light on.
Final. 2-3 Doylestown.
Fuel pump coming on. Full power. Engines to the green. And brakes release. Ferris wheels alive. Pictures in the green. 60. 65. Rotate. Brakes. Positive rate gear up. Gear up indicated. And light off, fuel pump off. Faster track.
And Doylestown traffic, Warrior is holding short runway 23 for landing traffic, Doylestown traffic.
Throttle. Prop.
Thank you, Doylestown.
Mixture.
Is that the stall horn?
No, that was him.
Oh,
That was his,
I was gonna say, like,
I forgot to set the DG.
that's right. We know where we're going. Allegedly.
We're going a little bit south right now just so I could avoid that Bravo.
Sure, you're cleared. Doylestown.
Pat, is that vent all the way open?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
no.
Oh, it's better. Oh, there you go. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pat.
You're welcome.
A lot of birds out today.
Yeah.
Look at them, the clearance.
Well, they're not in the Bravos. They're good.
Freaking crows.
2855 is New York,
Okay.
if you want it.
Let's listen to them.
Delta 1260, descend to maintain 6,000. Descend to 6,000, Delta 1260.
Yeah, there's only like a few at 2005, or no, that's about 3.5, I think.
Yeah.
It's lifting and
Lifting and clearing.
clearing. Yep. Traffic 500 feet. That's not going to be a factor.
No.
Insight.
Oh yeah, I got him.
Yep, he's right by that cloud.
Yep. Just to the left of it.
Yep.
And Victor Golf, November, contact approach 127.6.
Yeah, it's over there. Can you,
27.6, Victor Golf premise, yep.
Yeah.
do you have my phone?
I have my phone.
Okay.
I don't see a phone down here, buddy.
That should be.
That's my leg, but whatever. That's my other leg.
Okay. I just sent a text.
United 1047 is Alpha.
Want me to call it?
United 1047, ready.
Nah.
You can't live without your phone for 5 minutes?
Not good.
There's that guy off the right side.
Yep, there he is.
I just wanted to play a joke real quick.
Watch your glove.
I know.
So
Hey, you can fly for. You can fly.
757 and Papa Charlie.
I'll keep controls.
Good. Your controls.
Your controls.
My controls.
My controls.
Number 757 Papa Charlie, New York, thanks, planning on Yankee.
Chris's controls.
Approach, Newark, altimeter 2.
Pat, when are you going to put the gear up?
Alright, Papa Charlie.
No wonder we're climbing like shit.
I know, right?
6,000.
6000, United 1047.
Hey, you ready for your YouTube video to get copyrighted?
Why?
1981, turn right heading 040 and contact.
Oh, music? You're going to mess it all up on me.
040 on the heading 25.5, United 1981.
Starship 1260.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Quarter to our data. We're
Airplane karaoke.
for 39.
Okay, so you need to straight in 22 right.
Yes, sir, please.
You can plan on that.
Yeah, Chris.
Number 7 Papa Charlie, just to maintain 5,000.
Unfortunately, it would never last between you and us, Chris.
I know.
Oh, you see, I'm spoiled because in the Malibu, it'll hold manifold pressure all the way up to 250.
That's because of the turbo.
Yeah.
Because for every inch of manifold, or for
Every 1,000 feet
for
is
every
about an
1,000
inch.
Yeah, you need an inch. That's Chris. Chris needs an inch.
Hey, too.
X-rated pilots. Oh shit. This is just pilots being pilots.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, actually, we were just listening to this at the diner.
There you go. Dum, 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 dum.
New York approach, good morning, FedEx, or good afternoon, FedEx 3014, Heavy's with you at 9,800, descending across Suite at 7,000. We got Alpha at Newark.
FedEx 3014, Heavy, New York, plan the ILS 22 right, circle to 29, altimeter 2996.
ILS 22 right, circle to 29, no chance we can land 22 right, please, sir.
To just level it off a bit. We're gonna be doing like some step climbing.
For FedEx 3014, we're a little heavy today. Any chance of landing 22 right?
If you need to straight in, you can expect that. FedEx
Oh, you like 400?
Yes, sir.
400 is like really.
Thanks. So you can
I
plan.
used to be able to. I used to climb at like 430, but I know that's way too hot.
Yeah.
But my mechanic was able to fix the cylinder head temperatures and make it way cooler.
1260, turn right heading 040 and contact approach on 125.5.
040-125.5, Delta 1260, good day, sir.
Today, November 7 Papa Charlie, descend to maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, South Papa Charlie.
And 4470 Fox, New York, planning on Heavy Yankee, runway 19 approach, Newark, altimeter 2996.
906, 19 approach, 70 Fox drop.
Approach commuter 4264, 8,000, descending via the Philbo 3, information Alpha.
Commuter 4264, New York, plan the ILS 22 right, circle to line, runway 29, altimeter 2996.
22 right, circle land, 2996, commuter 4264.
November 70 Fox, after Solberg, flighting 040, free sequence.
After Solberg, 040, 70 Fox drop.
Commuter 4264, descend to maintain 6,000.
Descend to maintain 6,000, commuter 4264.
FedEx 3014 Heavy, turn 10 degrees left for sequence, descend and maintain 6,000.
Yeah, 10 left, send to maintain 6,000, FedEx 3014 Heavy.
No, it sounds funny, but I just can't stand
We're 7 Sierra Fox, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, 7 Sierra Fox, drop.
Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow.
Baby, I need you.
Number 7
I
Papa
love
Charlie,
Pat
contact approach
forever.
1047,
Not the love hand.
50 and contact
Yeah, that's better.
125.5.
That's better.
Don't we turn off the cameras?
No, we need the cameras.
Okay. So,
Oh.
I turn it off for
Oh.
the copyright strikes that would happen on this video. But
I got to add those out. I put my music in place for that one.
oh,
What is the local out time? I get Morristown's weather or something like that. Who's around? Newark or Morristown, whoever. Get the local. So that we don't actually bust the Bravo. 001.
uh, 2996.
096. Is it set?
Yep,
Alright,
already
cool.
set. View class of 2,700, broken at 25,000.
Beautiful.
That Block Island?
No, that's Newark, the closest one. See, it's IFR over by Montauk.
Take approach for Kirk. 3409, 9.5, sending via the Soldo 3 Alpha.
Quick 3409, the Oakland, the ILS 22 right, circle land runway 29, altimeter is 2996.
20 right, circle 29, Mercury 649.
FedEx 3014 Heavy, turn left heading 070 for your sequence.
Left 070, FedEx 3014 Heavy.
That's annoying.
November 7 Sierra Fox, contact approach 127.6, we'll see you later.
27.6, you have a good day. 7 Sierra Fox.
Have a good one.
Newark approach, United 15 Heavy, spec with you 5,000.
United 15 Heavy, the plane vectors back around for the ILS 22 right, if that's your wish still, altimeter 2996.
996, and yes sir, need the ILS.
in the dark. It's raining.
FedEx 3014 Heavy, contact approach 125.5, so long.
Say the left.
Because we're heavy, we got a lot of weight in the back.
Yeah. Precious cargo back there.
Right.
When he gets up under the lights, play his thing.
We're gonna mute the music because I just want to check something real quick. What's the winds aloft like?
Doesn't make the scene.
Commuter 4264 heading 030 and
30
contact
knots.
approach
That's 25 at
125.5.
JFK.
Heading 030, 25.
40 knots at 9,000. We're going to 9.5.
Yeah, you want to keep it going?
We're gonna keep going. Dude, it's showing it's 50 up at JFK. We're gonna get blown really nice.
Awesome.
So set 9.5.
I mean, we're in the climb right now, and we're already doing 123 knots over the ground.
Give me direct Block Island. We're above the Bravo.
Direct block, heading 080. We put that in the...
25.5, we'll see you.
You should fly back with me on Saturday.
I was thinking that. Wait, when are you leaving?
Friday.
I think I have a sim.
Ah,
I was thinking about it, but then I checked my schedule and won't be able to.
574
Just see if you can
right,
have someone
Alpha,
cover for you.
ILS 22 right, circle the land 29, altimeter 2996.
the option's always on.
2996, we've got Alpha and Jeff. 574.
Lemberg 4394, turn 10 degrees right for your sequence, maintain 7,000.
Because this guy does not want to go with me.
4394.
Ow, ow, ow.
Shut up.
How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing great.
We're at 7.5. So let's level off here, build up the airspeed a bit, and then we'll continue.
I found out I'm wrong.
Let me know if you want me to cut off the music.
No matter. Al, what's our ETA?
Say ETA.
1:40 p.m. ETA.
Okay, let's cut the cameras. Welcome back. Where are we over, Pat? Where are we over right
Just
now?
about to come over Gabreski.
Oh.
Yep.
Fox Oscar Kilo.
We're about 20 minutes away from our destination airport, which is Block Island. I haven't been to that airport in about a year or
It's
so.
actually Block Island.
Block Island? Ooh.
No, Island. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing fantastic, buddy.
Miss you.
You comfortable back there?
I'm great. It's perfect back
You missed
here.
this airplane?
Are the flight attendants treating you well?
Oh, hell yeah. You guys are awesome. I don't care what Pat says about you.
Oh. I'm surprised the camera's still on.
Is it?
Yeah?
Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Yeah. So we started descent now.
At 400 feet per minute.
Yep, 500 feet right now. That's what I usually. It's like a nice cruise descent.
Yeah, oh yeah.
But if I offset, if I want to be like, if I want
Like
be
5 miles this side.
this side,
Yeah.
we're gonna start our descent.
2000 feet entering the 45 midfield west downwind runway 281.
Our descent checklist, seatbelts are all good, throttle is good. Let's reduce it down to 17 inches.
I'll give you 7.
Bring that down. Mixture's gonna. Oh. Mixture. Carburetor, he's not gonna come on. Fuel selector. Let's switch it to the. I just actually switched to that tank. And we are all good.
West Skyhawk is about 2 miles.
Well, I'm amazed we can pick up.
Inbound runway.
Oh yeah, we're high.
That's also very true.
There's no mountains in the way.
Yeah. Hey, I gotta. If you once you guys come to Arizona, I gotta take you to Sedona.
We're gonna come out next year, early next year.
Good. Sedona's honestly a beautiful place.
Take a week off.
Absolutely.
Wait, you can take a week off for work? What? You're able to? I thought you were too busy.
Get vacation time.
What's vacation time?
I haven't touched the yoke in like 5 minutes. I'm just descending on trim and steering with the rudder.
You really don't need autopilot for this airplane. The only thing, I was telling Chris about it, since my mechanic put the new nose gear, redid the entire landing gear.
Yeah, you were saying that
Oh,
the
okay,
plane needs a little bit more right rudder.
A little bit more right rudder because I have nose wheel steering, so it's not fully aligned up with the rudder. So he just needs to
Just adjust it.
just a slight adjustment.
Approaching of 251.
See if I get a picture of those clouds. That looks pretty cool.
That's badass, right?
Yeah. Oh wow, that comes out nice in the picture.
Hey, westerly helicopter approaching on 25. What are your intentions?
That's cool.
Looking for parking? Affirmative, sir. Yeah, straight ahead. Put it right next to the VTL beach with a cover on it facing the parking lot.
Copy. Thank you, sir. 560 here. We'll see you in a minute.
I remember I used to get fuel at Westerly when I had the Grumman. I used to go to Block Island to go to Westerly, fill up, and go back to Orange County.
I'm flying into Westerly on Friday.
Oh, you really?
Yeah.
Westerly's cheap.
Yeah.
It would be expensive.
So I had the Grumman. I didn't want to go back. I guess I could have made it back, but it was just so close. I only had 22-gallon tanks.
We're gonna intend to run on 25.
Well, 22-gallon total.
Every 12 seconds, what are your intentions? What are your intentions? What are your intentions with my daughter?
At Westerly, do you copy? Yes, I copy. Sorry. I am just doing some work with an instructor out here.
I wonder if the oar is open. I'd love to get a mudslide there.
At the beginning of the runway, we're trying to land. We went around, coming around again. Are you going to stay there or are you going to let us land? I'll move. Thank you. No problem. Let's do an air taxi.
Oh, it's a helicopter, so he's, I guess, air taxi?
I don't know. People get easily confused, just like Chris over here. Gets confused easily.
Chris has no idea where he is right now.
No,
I have no idea.
He's even in an airplane.
25 westerly.
Am I in an airplane?
No, Chris, this is a bus.
Oh, that's what I figured.
What island is this?
Pizzeria Island.
Actually, there's an airport on it.
We've been there.
No, we haven't.
No?
Where's the airport?
It's like a grass field, like right.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah.
I think I could only assume that looks like. I mean, just bring it out to 15. I got Block Island in sight.
I see it also. Kind of crept south a little bit further downwind.
We're about 17 nautical miles away.
1226 Foxtrot, left downwind.
Doing 800 feet a minute.
Nice. No.
Hey, we're almost there. Block Island's in sight. Maintain visual.
Caution jet blast.
Caution, prop wash.
Traffic session is short final runway 25, touch and go. Traffic, helicopter 28 November Echo is about 6 miles to the southeast at 1008 inbound Arlington.
Remember we did, we filed out of here, Mike? We got up in the air and 2 seconds later we're in IMC?
Yep. Oh yeah. And you guys can check out that video on YouTube.
You can?
Yep.
Pat,
Number 31754.
Pilot Farm 101. What's the altimeter out here?
I mean, let's just see. I mean, we got 3001. 3477.
Zulu. Wind 230 at 1.
23.
Peak gusts 23.
23.
Visibility 1.
Is any whales or dolphins down there?
Sky conditions.
I see Peggy down there.
Temperature
Traffic is solid, the one.
I see Mike's mom.
Oh, don't make fun of Mike's mom. We
I
love
see father.
300.
And westerly traffic 1226 Foxtrot and 11 crosswind. Be turning a left base for closed traffic, westerly traffic.
Block Island State Airport.
Right, Pat, get us there.
Automated.
Block Island traffic, Mooney, November 6903, Mike's about 8 nautical miles out to the west, inbound, runway 28, Block Island.
What's that name of my plane? Call sign.
Peggy.
Peggy!
Call sign Peggy.
We could.
I miss Peggy. Peggy's amazing.
Call sign passing Peggy.
Yeah, Peggy is awesome. You've been retired now for a couple years already. It went fast.
Yeah. When you got your commercial, it was like one of her last few check rides, right?
Yep.
What year did you get your commercial?
2020.
I think you and I got it the same year.
Maybe.
You were a commercial, I think, like a couple months before me. Yep. So same year. Alright, almost at pattern altitude.
That song's stuck. It's
Bro,
catchy. It's catchy.
Too catchy.
No.
Okay, Pat, fly the plane.
Okay, fine. My controls.
Your controls.
My controls.
I had it back trimmed purposely, so you're gonna feel that.
Okay, that's okay. Hey, you want to hold on to my?
Yeah, I got you.
Landing lights coming on. Seatbelts all good?
Yep. Nope.
Fixture.
Make sure you maintain
seatbelt
visual
on.
separation.
Carburetor heat's coming off, or is off. Fuel pump will come on. Short final. Fuel selector is on the fullest tank. Block Island traffic. Mooney November 693. Mike is on the left downwind for runway 28. Block Island. I was trying to read it.
Here's the wind farm. I can't remember the last time I've flown into this airport VFR.
I can't remember the last time I saw these freaking windmills on.
That's what I'm saying, is I haven't seen them in a while.
LA traffic, helicopter 3 November Echo, right downwind, runway 19.
Below 120 gear comes down.
Nova traffic, 126 Bravo Sierra, 10 miles to the east, 28 approach, circle to land, Novo.
That's a cheat.
If the gear light never comes on, just hit the test button. It came on, gears down.
Roger, thank you. And what are you using, Adam? I think we're going to circle around 140. We're going to do some landing.
It's not stupid if it works.
Exactly. Block Island traffic. Mooney November 693. Mike is on the left base. Runway 28. Block Island.
Helicopter's clear.
Just sliding it in.
Oh yeah.
Just like into her DMs.
Helicopter will be doing some air taxis on Alpha.
1, 2. Wow, look at that wind. We're just getting pushed.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
On the surface, it's 15 gusting 22.
Yep.
Don't be afraid to go around.
Don't worry. Short runway as well, so.
Have plenty of time.
And plenty of fuel.
And plenty of fuel. And you can maintain visual.
Traffic, Cessna 1226.
Of the island.
Left downwind, runway.
Chris, is this where we came last time?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I recognize
Class full.
the restaurant, the harbor, the beach.
Gas. Undercarriage. Mixture. Props.
Props? How many props you got?
I give you props
Oh yeah.
for dealing with Chris.
I see the flags down there. It's and what we're
500.
doing. It's definitely a slight left crosswind.
Why flying sideways?
I know, right?
Different. At least the winds are not gusting. I mean, like not like bumping around all over. Like a smooth wind.
Westerly traffic 1226.
Except for that.
Turning left base for runway 25, westerly traffic.
You just had to frickin' jinx it.
Just easy.
With the headwind, you should have no props.
They'll settle in.
And westerly traffic, Cessna 1226 Foxtrot, turn final runway 25.
Good job.
Fly it to the ground. Beautiful. Very nice, buddy.
I like your skipping.
I'll help you stop. Throw some aerodynamic
speed
braking
brake.
out. Exactly.
Good job,
now.
Matt. Good job, buddy.
That was actually, honestly, that was not a bad landing.
Not at all.
Did a great job,
Still
buddy.
didn't even feel it touch the ground.
We made it to Block Island.
Woo!
Here
Thank
we
you.
are.
One of the last times for the year. Season ends soon.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Mooney, if you need parking to your right, put it up next to that skyline, face the parking lot.
Awesome.
Copy that, sir. Thank you so much.
Made it, buddy.
Hit it, buddy.
Woo,
I'm excited.
we made it.
Was that at Saratoga?
Maybe.
Whiskey Bravo.
5 northwest to bound for 2 eyes block.
Awesome. All right, guys. What do you say, Pat?
But this is Pilot 111. Fly safe. Be safe. And then I don't know what's
See you on the next one.
See you on the next one.
Okay.
The right wing's clear.
We'll take that. We made it. Awesome.
Beautiful.